everyone, this is a quick and dirty plant-based diet hack. We'll talk about how to make meals easier, cheaper and quicker. We have busy days every week and we just don't have the time to cook whole fresh meals from scratch. So this is what I do so I always have healthy food ready to eat. I'm making a Mexican bean dish. I'm using a slow cooker so I can leave it and walk away. I'm adding 1 cup of TVP mint, which is made from soy, and that will give this dish a meaty texture. Soy takes on the flavour that it's cooked with, so it will taste really good. I've also used 4 cans of beans, which I've rinsed and drained really well, and I'm using frozen vegetables because I'm lazy. I'm adding in some vegetable stock and lots of tomato. The acidity of the tomato will help me to absorb the iron and the calcium from this dish. And then I'm adding in some garlic and I'm using generic seasoning from a pack. I like lots and lots of flavour, so I've used 2 packs of seasoning in this pot. I'll cook this on high for 4 to 6 hours, and once it's done, I'll take some of it out and I'll puree it in the blender and then add it back to the mix. That will give it the texture that I really like. So once everything's cooked and cooled down, I'll divide it up into servings and I'll leave it in the fridge and use it as I need it. Or I might put some in the freezer as well and keep it for in a couple of weeks. This should keep in the fridge for a few days without going bad. So each night when I get home, it'll only take me 5 or maybe 10 minutes to make a full meal. So this is what I have planned for this week. I'm going to mash up some potato. I'm going to cook the potato in vegetable stock because that adds flavour. And then I'm going to top it with my bean mix, and I'll top it with some vegan cheese and maybe some homemade aioli sauce, and then just heat it up and it's ready to go. I'm gonna make chili cheese fries. This is one of my favorite meals ever. I'm also going to have pasta or noodles and top it with the beans, and then of course top it with other things, whatever I feel like, maybe some fresh bell peppers. One night I will have nachos with all the trimmings. I will make burritos and I will stuff it with tons of salad vegetables and some creamy cheese sauce. I'll have tacos with anything I have in the fridge that will go with it. And lastly, I will cook up some rice and then top it with the beans as well. You can make other things too, like what about Mexican lasagna? The sky's the limit with this pot. As you go through your week, you'll naturally top each dish with different foods to get a variety of nutrients and tastes. That way you're not going to get bored, but it's still really quick, cheap and easy. So guys, I hope this video has given you some great ideas. Leave a comment below and let me know what you did with your dinners this week. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and share with a friend if you thought this was helpful. And I'll see you in the next video.